Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Watch subscriber. Hope you will be fine and in the high state of iman and health. Myself, motivational speaker, leadership business coach, master trainer, language trainer, vlogger, YouTuber, novelist, Professor MA Raza. Professor MA Raza. Today is 25th December and I'm going to tribute to Huzur Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah on the eve of his birthday, 25th December, the valued birthday of Huzur Qaid-e-Azam. I'm going to translate the national anthem to English. Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baad, Kishware Hasin Shad Baad into English language. So let's get started. Blessed be sacred land, happy be bounteous realm, symbols of high resolve, land of Pakistan. Blessed be thou, citadel of faith. The order of this sacred land is the might of the brotherhood of the people. Is the might of the brotherhood of the people. May the nation, the country, and the state shine in glory everlasting. Blessed be the glory everlasting. This flag of the crescent and the stars lead the way to progress and perfection. Interceptor of our past, glory of our present, inspiration of our future, symbol of Almighty's protection. The first translation is till Shadbad, till the bounteous realm, then Pakistan Sarzameen, and then it to Pakistan, and then Pak Sarzameen ka Nizam till Sultanate, then it is to the same as the state, and then the man zeal, and then the Shadbad Manzile Murad, and it's to the glory everlasting, and then Parchame Nishane Hilal, this flag, and then at the end Khudaya Zul Jalal, symbol of Almighty's protection. Let me go now. You will fetch the Arabic translation on iBatuta and fetch the Turkish translation on Ben Tourist, my other channels. Have a good day. Thank you very much.